Hi Northminster, my name's Abigail Dreyer and I'm a freshman at Ohio University. This past year, I've gotten really involved with Campus Crusade for Christ, a Christian organization that's dedicated to spreading the gospel around the world. This summer, I've been chosen to go on a 6-week summer mission to Ljubljana, Slovenia, a small Eastern European bloc country that on the outside is very beautiful, but on the inside is very spiritually dead. This summer, a team of 30 people will be going to Ljubljana, Slovenia to spread the gospel on the college campuses and talk to students who may have never even heard of Jesus Christ and what He did for us. In order to make this trip a reality, I need to start putting together a support team who is willing to support me spiritually through prayers and financially. This trip will cost $5,100 and I'm very close to reaching my goal. I just need a little bit more help, and if you feel called, there will be information after the video and possibly in the back. If you are unable to give financially, I ask that you pray for me and the team as we go on this exciting new journey in our life. Thank you all so much for supporting me, and God bless.